Hi everyone, I am Marie and welcome to my dinner table. Today I am at my dinner table. I purchased some new colors and I was playing making my cards. I made all my cards for all my colors and I made a color wheel and I already made my warm colors and now I am going to make the cool colors, so I thought why not film for you how I made my color wheels. The cool colors that I am using as the primaries are the magenta, lemon yellow and cobalt blue. So let's get started. So as you can see, I made a circle with a compass. I divided it in three, and so I can go from dark to light. I will start with the lemon yellow, then magenta, then the cobalt blue. So the next step is mixing the colors to have the second color. The second color I will be mixing the lemon yellow and the magenta and the cobalt blue, and the cobalt blue and the yellow, the lemon yellow. So guys, I just told you how to do it, and the order that I did this while filming, it was different because I just took the lemon yellow and the magenta, and yes, I made the orange, but then I went straight to mixing the orange and magenta and the orange and yellow to make the third color. So that's the way you can also do it, but if you get confused, just do the first, then the second, then the third. And that is the color wheel all done. I will show you the one with the warm colors that I made. I used the cadmium red deep, the cadmium free yellow, and the ultramarine to make this warm color wheel. And so I hope that you enjoyed it, and I see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.